In this video, we will show you how to make money with Coursiv. If you guys want to get started with Coursiv, you can use the links down in the description. First, visit coursiv.io on your browser and select your gender from the available options. Next, choose your age to personalize the experience. After that, click on Continue to move on to the next step. Then, select your main goal from the options provided. This helps Coursiv tailor its recommendations to suit your need. Next, select your current income source so that platform can better understand your financial situations. Now, choose your work schedule to help Coursiv create a plan that fits your lifestyles. Then, you'll be asked to identify the challenges with your current job. Select the option that describes your situation. Once done, click on Next Step to proceed. After that, click Continue to move on to the next part. Now, select how you would describe your financial situation. This helps Coursiv understand your financial health and create a personalized plan for you. Click Continue once you've made your selection. Then, select the annual income level you aim to achieve. This will guide the AI in creating a plan that aligns with your financial goals. Answer the remaining question according to your preferences and personal details as prompted. Once you've completed the survey, enter your email address to receive your AI-driven income growth challenge. Check the box to agree to terms, and then click Continue. Finally, review other available options and check out the plans Coursiv offers. Select the one that suits your needs to get your plan and start working towards your financial goals. So that's how to make money with Coursiv. Make sure to use the links down in the description to get started with Coursiv. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.